Imagine that a person ruthlessly punched another person in the face until his face was covered in blood and he collapsed on the ground. Typically, the instigator of this fight would be arrested and criminally charged with assault and battery. However, in the context of sports, this scene reflects a typical professional boxing match where athletes have given their consent to be hit in the ring. This is just one example of how the line between criminal conduct and permissible actions in sports is blurred. One of the earliest cases that raised the question of whether athletes should face criminal liability took place in England in the 1800s. During a soccer match, William Bradshaw kneed Herbert Docherty in the stomach while trying to stop Docherty from advancing to the goal. Docherty suffered a ruptured intestine and died the next day. Bradshaw was charged with manslaughter. The court explained that the rules of sports can never make an action legal if that action is illegal outside of sports, such as acting in a manner that could kill another person. However, there is an inherent danger in sports that participants consent to when they play sports. In this case, Bradshaw may have committed a foul in the game when he hit Docherty in the stomach, but the court found that Bradshaw didn't hit Docherty out of any malice or in an outrageous manner. Because the players consented to the inherent danger of sports, and because Bradshaw didn't act with any personal animus toward Docherty, the court held that Bradshaw wasn't guilty of manslaughter. As the court established in Bradshaw's case, athletes generally don't face criminal charges for in-game conduct. However, if a player's conduct during a game is particularly egregious or falls outside the bounds of expected contact in the game, then an athlete may face criminal charges.